Earth's changing core. What new discoveries are revealing about our planet? Have you ever thought about what's really happening beneath your feet? Deep below the surface, Earth's core, the innermost part of the planet, is undergoing changes that scientists are only beginning to understand. A recent study reveals that the inner core isn't just rotating differently from the rest of the Earth, but it's also reshaping in unexpected ways. These discoveries could hold answers to mysteries about Earth's magnetic field, the length of a day, and more. Let's break down what this all means and why it's so fascinating. The structure of Earth. A quick overview. To understand the importance of Earth's changing core, let's start with the basics. Our planet is made up of four primary layers. 1. The crust. This is the thin, outer shell where we live. It's about 20 miles thick, varying depending on location. 2. The mantle. Beneath the crust, this thick 1,800-mile layer is made mostly of molten and semi-solid rock. 3. The outer core, a layer of liquid metal, roughly 1,400 miles thick, that generates Earth's magnetic field. The inner core, a solid, dense ball of mainly iron and nickel, measuring about 1,500 miles across. For many years, scientists believed the inner core was solid all the way through, held together by immense pressure at the planet's center. But new findings are challenging this long-held belief. What new research reveals scientists have uncovered groundbreaking information by studying seismic waves from earthquakes in Antarctica. These waves travel through different layers of the planet, providing clues about what lies beneath. What they found is surprising. Earth's inner core isn't entirely solid. Instead, it seems to have a softer, more deformable outer layer surrounding its solid center. Think of it like the creamy center of a chocolate truffle, only much hotter and made of nickel and iron. But that's not all. The study also confirmed that the inner core rotates at a speed that's distinct from the rest of the planet. This means that while we think of Earth as spinning like a single unit, its innermost layer has its own rhythm. Why Earth's changing core matters. These changes in Earth's core might sound like purely scientific curiosities, but they have real-world implications. Here's why this discovery is a big deal. Impact on Earth's magnetic field. The movement of the liquid outer core interacts with the inner core to generate Earth's magnetic field. This field protects us from harmful solar radiation and helps guide everything from migrating birds to GPS systems. Understanding the core's behavior could give us insights into how this essential shield works. Effects on day length. Believe it or not, the movement of the inner core can slightly affect the length of a day. While the changes are minuscule, just fractions of a second, they provide clues about Earth's internal dynamics. Clues about Earth's history. Studying the core could help scientists piece together the history of Earth's formation and its ongoing evolution. Knowing how the core behaves can even hint at what might happen in the planet's future. How scientists study the core. You might wonder how researchers study something nearly 4,000 miles below the surface. Since we can't drill down that far, scientists rely on seismic waves. These waves act like X-rays, giving us an inside look at the planet without physically going there. By analyzing how waves from earthquakes travel through different layers, researchers can make educated guesses about the core's composition and behavior. What's next for research? There's still so much we don't know about Earth's changing core. These new discoveries raise more questions than they answer. For instance, what causes the variations in the core's rotation speed? How does the deformable outer layer of the inner core interact with the layers around it? Future research will likely focus on refining models of the core's structure and tracking longer-term changes. With better seismic data and advanced simulations, scientists hope to unlock even more secrets about the heart of our planet. Why we should care about Earth's core. It's easy to think of Earth's core as something distant and unrelated to daily life. But the truth is, the core plays a vital role in shaping the world we live in. From protecting us with its magnetic field to subtly influencing the length of our days, its changes affect us all, even if we can't see them. The next time you look at a clock or rely on GPS directions, remember, beneath your feet, Earth's core is hard at work, spinning, shifting, and adapting. And thanks to ongoing research, we're inching closer to understanding its mysteries. Understanding Earth's changing core doesn't just satisfy scientific curiosity, it helps us stay connected to the very planet we call home.